Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the Tecno Spark 4. But before we begin, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on post notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, this is a device and this is the box. Written here we can see that it's the Tecno Spark 4 and it comes with 4G light. Here we have a 13 megapixel triple AI camera, 6.52 dot notch screen, AI bright camera, 4000 mAh battery, and then face unlock 2.0. Then at the back here we have the Tecno Spark 4 with an Android 9 Pie, a quad-core 2.0 GHz processor, and then the dimension here, the display, resolution, camera 13 megapixel rear camera with dual flash, 8 megapixel front camera with flash, and then connectivity GPS, Wi-Fi, FM, battery capacity 4000 mAh, and then it is equipped with G sensor, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and then the fingerprint scanner. Having said all that, let's now take a look at the device. I put a pack on the device and the pack is actually dope. It's good. And the device is slim. It's sleek here. So let's now take a look at the physical aspect of the phone. On the top here, we don't have anything here. And then, by the right side, we have the volume rockers and the power button. And then the Spark 4 came with all other features under it. Here is the speaker, which is actually loud. Here is the USB cord. Here is the microphone jack, and this is the 3.5mm microphone jack. And then let's now take a look at what we've got in the device. Here, this is a new feature in the Spark 4 where you have to make use of applications that you need without having to go through everywhere to get it. But before then, let's just take a look at the settings. System, sorry about that. System, and then here we can see that 2GB RAM, 32GB ROM, 8 megapixel selfie camera, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and a Cure VGA camera, a 2.0 GHz processor, 4000 mAh battery, and then the screen resolution is 720 times 1600 and it comes with Android P. Then there are some secret settings that I am going to show you, but before we get to that, let's take a look at the camera. Nice camera. The video AI cam, SAS AI cam, beauty, bouquet, which is the portrait mode. Let's try this. It blurs other background, and then we also have the AR shots where you make use of all these stickers in snapping your photos, and then we have the panorama. This is actually how the camera is, a sharp camera. And then we also have for the flash, where you off the flash, put it on, and then you have it to be on always. The settings, and it also comes with HDR, and then you have to switch between how you want your camera to be. And this is the full screen where you get a full display for the camera. And then having said all this, let's just take a look at other aspects. Like we've seen, there are 2 buttons under it instead of 3. This is the new home button that was introduced, and it was introduced only in the Spark 4. It was not in the Spark 3 or Spark 2, which is its predecessor. So let's get to the settings and let's see how that was done. Where is it? Accessibility, and then This is actually where we have to get it. As you can see, this is a 2 button navigation and 3 button navigation. If we should put this, we now see that the 3 buttons are actually showing, and then here is the minimize button, the home button, and the back button. But if we should use the 2 button navigation, we see how it is. So this is one of the special feature that comes with the Tecno Spark 4. I think this is all we need to know about the Tecno Spark 4. It's a budget device for what it does, and it has several modes here, like we've seen, bike mode and all those stuff. So this is a nice phone for you, a budget device that you can buy when you don't have enough money. It is sold in slot stations for 35,200. 35,200. Any slot station in Nigeria, it is sold for 35,200. So you can go there and take yours now. It's a nice phone. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be empowered with the latest tech that I'll be filming on my YouTube channel. So if you've not subscribed and you don't want to miss out, subscribe now. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.